Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to SUBCOM Thailand 2022. And right now we are here with Mr. Nekora, General Manager, ANCA Sheet Metal Solutions Thailand. Good afternoon. สวัสดีค่ะค่ะ First of all, nice to meet you ค่ะ First of all, could you please introduce yourself and also giving us a briefing of your company?
Sure. My name is Nicholas Doyle. I'm the General Manager for ANCA Sheet Metal Solutions here based in Thailand. I'm originally Irish, but lived in Australia for about 8 years. Now in Thailand with the last 4 years. And I've been the General Manager for ANCA Sheet Metal for the past year.
Okay, so next I would like to ask about what is your highlight product or service that you would like to recommend on show in SUBCOM Thailand 2022.
Yeah, so ANCA Sheet Metal is a sheet metal provider. We do a large variety of items from small little components up to, a full-scale CNC machine. But we also do a lot of four-wheel drive equipment such as front bumpers, rock rails, underbody protection, roof racks, that kind of thing. So quite a large variety of components. And we do all of it in-house, so from cutting, folding, welding, painting, powder coating. Yeah, quite a diverse group of products that we make, yeah.
That's very interesting. So before we leaving today, could you please give us a few words to invite visitors to your booth and also our show?
Yeah, sure. We're here starting today, but we're here all day until next Saturday. We've already met a load of really good people, and we'd love to invite everyone that we can to come down to SUBCOM. It's a great show. There's a lot of great companies here. I'm looking forward to getting around myself and having a look, but come down, say hello to us, and
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nicholas, General Manager from ANCA Sheet Metal Solutions Thailand, for giving us a beneficial information. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
สวัสดีค่ะ